Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everybody's Looking for Tomatoes. Today, I decided to eat rice cake mochis and their fruit flavor. Yeah, I'm completely blind. They're different kind of fruits. I never had fruit flavored mochis. I've only had like rice cake. The bean kind. Yeah, like the Korean stores, they sell the bean type, and it's either green tea and regular, I guess the white one. But anyways, I decided to eat it blindfolded, not to look at which flavor I'm trying. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jenny. This is a family channel, but I'm starting with mukbangs for now. If you're new to watching my videos, please subscribe, share, like, comment down below, and ring that post notification bell button for future videos. So let's get to it. So it's that kind. Ooh, it smells fruity. I had this in the fridge for a while. I was supposed to do a mukbang this weekend. Well, my weekend. Yesterday I was off Monday and I'm off today, but I go into work tonight. And hubby and I ordered Mexican food. And I had oh my god, I was watching Angelina Spicy, and she had a wet burrito. So we went to this new restaurant, Mexican restaurant near us. I forgot the name of it, but we went, it's new, so we went to try it, and it's so pricey. But we bought 4 items, well, 2 3 plates and 1 like appetizer, and it came out to like $40. But the presentation in the packaging was amazing, and I told my hubby, oh my god, we should mukbang this. And my hubby was like, no, because we had the baby in the house and she's all over the place, so we don't have like really good equipment like camera, mic, lighting, and all that stuff for her not to like get to if we wanted to do it. But whatever, next time. But I don't know if I want to pay the price. Anyways, I don't know which one I got. It smells like strawberry. I don't know. It tastes like mango. Sorry. Mango or pineapple. I don't know. It's very sweet. It has that bean consistency. Well, I can't see. Trying to figure out what flavor is it. I don't know. I can't smell what it is, I guess, because the flavor. Oh, I should have gotten water. Did I leave it somewhere? Oh man, to wash the palette. Okay, I had that one. I don't know if I'm aiming right. I can't see. Somewhere. Try this one. Again, it smells like strawberry. Tastes like a melon, but like bubblegum. It's sweet. Like, not too sweet, but sweet. I still don't know what flavor it is. Oh wait, I got that one. Okay, how much? Wait a second. I tried this one. How many? One. Wait, no, I tried that one. I tried that one. Wait a second. There's only 2 rows? I thought it was 3. 1, 2. Oh, there's only 2 rows. Why my ass thought it was 3 rows? Okay, I don't know if this is the same one. I don't really know. Should have read the package. Mmm. Mmm. I think, yeah, pineapple. Mm-hmm. Pineapple. What's this one? I want to say strawberry. I honestly want to say strawberry, but I don't know. I want to say strawberry. Damn, I should have gotten some water to wash this down. Yeah, the first time I ate mochi, I was raised in a small town called Powell Park in Jersey, and it's so many Koreans over there in Japanese. Like, I remember elementary school. I don't know if I have powder in my nose. I know this is powder. Elementary school, it was full of Russians and Italians, you know, and then the invasion of Mexicans and Colombians came about, and then weaning off to like middle school. I wasn't in town for middle school. I went to Puerto Rico for 2 years, and when I came back, it was Korean town, and I was like, oh my god, I want to try everything. I used to eat the Korean sushi rolls all the time, and then I would get mochi, the bean ones, the little tiny white ones. They would do it fresh right in front of you, and then I would take the package and get it. Was expensive, you know, if you want fresh like food, like their food, but I like it. But none of my family did. Oh yeah, I don't want that. What is this? It tastes like melon. I don't know what that is. I don't know what the camera is. Now, being that I have so much going on in my mouth, I can't smell it. I can't. I don't know what that is. I think my taste buds are jacked up. All those times I drink hot stuff Me, if it's not boiling, I don't want it. Oof. I don't know what that is. I'm horrible at this. But that one is. Quite frankly, I'll just stick to the bean ones. It's more traditional. This one is explosively flavorful like the pineapple one. But I don't know what it is. I don't know what that is. Maybe a melon? Gotta be some sort of melon. I needed water for this, sorry. And that one. The last one. I can't tell. I seriously can't tell. I guess this was a bad idea. My taste buds are jacked up. Let me see. Take off the blindfold. Ooh, I can see light. I can see light. So, I even got powder all over me. Okay. So basically, I really thought this was like 3 rolls, and it's only 2. Okay. So the rice cake with fruit flavor, bean paste, fruit de fuku. Sorry. Oh, there's only 3 flavors. Mango, peach, pineapple. So this one tasted like pineapple. This one tasted like mango. And I guess this one tasted like peach. Now these, I don't know what they tasted like. It didn't give me none of that. It's a product from Japan, made in Los Angeles. Anyways, I thought I was gonna be mind blown, but I wasn't. But yeah, this one, I guess the mango, peach, no, pineapple and peach, but these, I didn't feel no flavor. But anyways, yeah, that's all I have. I gotta go into work tonight. Yay. So let me finish fixing the house before I leave tonight and make some din din. But yeah, until next time, don't forget, subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and ring that post notification bell button for future videos. Love you guys. Bye.